Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. Before that we should know what is trigonometric function. In the earlier classes we had discussed in class 10th and 11th also. We had discussed about the trigonometric functions like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and reciprocal of it is what? Cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So these were the trigonometric functions. But in this year, in this class, we are going to study about the inverse trigonometric function. So inverse trigonometric function does not mean the reciprocal of it. Okay, you mind it. Suppose I am writing sine inverse theta is not equal to 1 upon sine theta. This is not equal to 1 upon sine theta. So likewise you should know what is inverse trigonometric function and what are the things which we are going to study in this chapter. So first of all we should know what is inverse. Inverse of a function means when in the last year when domain interchange with range. Domain interchange with range. It means domain for the last year it was like input and range was just like output. But this was for trigonometric function. But in case of inverse trigonometric function, range will be your input and domain will be like output. Okay, just to interchange input with the output. And suppose till last year we were getting the values of trigonometric function in different angles, but this time the values, like if I am asking cos inverse 1 by 2, it means how we will read this, for which angle of cos. Okay, for which angle of cos value should be 1 by 2. Then we know cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Then we must say pi by 3. Then we must say this will be equal to pi by 3. So for this theta or this angle, value of cos will be 1 by 2. Okay, likewise. So these are the this is the domain. These are the domain for different trigonometric function and this range. This is principal value branch. Okay, principal value branches, principal value branches. So listen, sine inverse, so domain will be closed interval -1 to 1. लास्ट ईयर हमने अपने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक साइन के ग्राफ में देखा था, साइन का ग्राफ कैसे 0 to पाई लाइकवाइज ऐसे चलता था, ठीक है। और साइन की जो रेंज होती थी वो क्या होती थी -1 से 1। जो रेंज होती थी वो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं क्या बन चुकी है, डोमेन, और उसका रेंज क्या होगा -π/2 π/2। सिमिलरली फॉर कॉस इनवर्स क्लोज्ड इंटरवल -1 से 1, 0 to पाई, then cosec, then sec, then tan, then cot. These are belongs to real number. These are belongs to real number. Okay, so these range we are going to use for finding out the principal value for different inverse trigonometric functions. And before starting exercise, some formulas, some important formulas we should know. So very first, as you know, we were doing sine of minus theta was minus sine theta. So here sine inverse minus theta will also be like minus sine inverse theta. Okay, so this was last year, the first one. Then tan inverse minus theta will be minus tan inverse theta. Then cosec inverse minus theta will be minus cosec inverse theta. These three shows same properties. Then rest 3 means cos inverse minus theta will be pi minus cos inverse theta. Then sec inverse minus theta will also be pi minus sec inverse theta, and the last cot inverse minus theta will also be pi minus cot inverse theta. So these are the formula which we are going to use to find out the principal value of a inverse trigonometric functions. So these are the things I wanted to let you know before starting the exercise. So now in the next video we are going to see exercise 2.1. Thank you.